On your side with breaking news and the Tri-State's most accurate forecast. This is 9 News at 11.
Right off the top, a major development in the investigation into missing money in Arlington Heights.
The village's police officers are not running radar tonight following our exclusive I-Team investigation. 9 News anchor Brendan Keefe first broke the story, and he's here tonight with the breaking developments. Brendan?
Carolyn Clyde, the Arlington Heights Police Department suspended its traffic enforcement program today, less than 24 hours after our I-Team investigation revealed more than $250,000 missing from speeding fines. While the Hamilton County prosecutor says he's focusing on 2 former village employees, it's important to point out that there has been no indication police officers were involved. It may turn out to be just the opposite, that good cops were used as a tool for theft, writing legitimate tickets for speeding while others pocketed some of the fines. Tonight, those officers are not running radar, according to the current police chief, who told me it's a safety matter following all the media coverage. Meanwhile, we've discovered attempts to prevent that media coverage by Arlington Heights officials. The Village Council called a special meeting last month after we first started asking questions, and they passed emergency legislation banning cameras from public meetings without 7 days prior written request.
The purpose of the whole thing is when the cameras show up in the council chambers, the residents that come in to have their say in our council meetings are afraid of the cameras and won't talk.
Is it suspicious, sir, that ordinance is passed after we start looking into improprieties in the village?
No.
That you didn't want our TV cameras there?
No, it's going to be a lot of TV cameras, just not yours.
The Ohio Open Meetings Act allows governments to regulate where people can record an open meeting, but complete bans are considered illegal. So we sent a copy of the case law and the Attorney General's opinion on the matter to the mayor, and he told us the camera ordinance will be rescinded at the next council meeting.